So basically, right now, what we're going to do is that we're going to break down the side glide, and this is how it looks like. Other side. So this is the side glide, and this is basically, it needs a lot of practice, but you can get it down fairly easily, like once you start practicing it. And so let's just break it down. So the breakdown is push, pivot both feet, move 1 foot ahead, pivot with the back foot, push, pivot both feet, move 1 foot up, pivot with the back feet, push, pivot both feet. So this is the entire side glide. Push, pivot with both, move 1, pivot with just the back feet, push, pivot with both. Move 1 ahead, pivot with the back feet, push, pivot with both. So this is the breakdown. As you practice this, you will build muscle memory, and eventually you can come up with this. So, and keep another thing in mind, that once you pivot, you have to move the foot whose weight is on the heels ahead of the other foot, and then pivot the back foot, and then push. Pivot again, move it ahead of the other foot while the other foot goes down. So this is the complete breakdown of the side glide. It is a little tricky to get down, but then I've broken it step by step. First practice the shuffle, and then the entire breakdown that I've told you. That is this. So once you keep practicing this, you'll get to the side glide in no time. So keep practicing, let me know if you have any doubts, and I'll see you there. Thank you.